Hi, Elle Ingalls here, creator of the Pressure-Free Method. I help high-performing professionals and high-achieving students attain their desired results. Since most of the clients that I work with are high achievers, one of the first questions I often get is, how long does it take for the Pressure-Free Method to work? The answer varies, and it varies on several different aspects, but the most important one is, how badly do you want it to work? How fast do you want it to work for you? So that's what we start to work with Pressure Free. We're not so concerned about how fast it's going to happen, but I need to teach you some things. So over the course of my introductory course, that's what I do. I teach you many tools to help you have what I call the breakthrough day. The breakthrough day is when you've gone the whole day and you haven't triggered fight or flight at all, which seems pretty impossible. I knew it felt impossible for me when I started, but I'm here to tell you that it's totally possible. If you're serious about gaining a competitive edge and attaining your desired results, then I invite you to go to speakwithelle.com to schedule a complimentary strategy session with me. Thanks for watching this video, and I can't wait to get on that call and hear your story.